Hello and welcome back to the Azure Terraformer. Today, I have a very special announcement. After years of championing Terraform as my favorite automation tool, I've decided to go back to good old-fashioned ARM templates. You heard it right. I'm going back to the basics. Why, you ask? Well, I had an epiphany. I realized that having used Terraform so much, I've gotten soft. And I miss those good old days of spelunking ginormous JSON files and the thrill of debugging those cryptic error messages. Now I hear you say, but isn't it much more efficient to work with an infrastructure as code tool that lets you describe your infrastructure in a much more concise and readable manner? And I say to that, who doesn't love a good challenge? What, I guess you wash all your clothes in a washing machine rather than by hand in a bucket in the front yard? With ARM templates, every deployment is an adventure. And let's not forget the unparalleled joy of manually tracking dependencies between resources. But wait, there's more. With ARM templates, you can really, truly embrace that natural goodness, that organic beauty that is raw JSON. I mean, it's a work of art. It's like going back to nature rather than those icky abstractions of HCL that you find in Terraform. Now let's not forget about what if. Who couldn't miss that wonderful game of infrastructure as code hide and seek? It's a thrilling game of guessing what will actually get deployed. But the real kicker, the piece de resistance, is portability. Locked into Azure? That's not a limitation. That's commitment. Who needs cloud portability when you're already on the best cloud? Now that you can take to the bank. And fear not, for all my fellow Azure Terraformers out there, I will be documenting this journey every step of the way. Get ready for tutorials on crafting the perfect ARM template with immaculate JSON and mastering the art of manual dependency management. In conclusion, my friends, it's time to bid farewell. Adieu to Terraform and to embrace the true Azure way, the original, the OG, the old school cool ARM templates. So I hope you're excited for this journey. That's it from me. This is the ARM Templater, signing off.